Greetings from Summers Point, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg, and this is a 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard. Here we are at the helm. We have twin Simrad displays, Fusion stereo system, tilt wheel, all your controls, your throttle. You have two captain's chairs up here. You have a fold up thigh rise, head compartment, glove box area, lockable. As we move to the bow, nice seating, fold down armrests, lighting throughout the hull, the entire boat. Your grab rails are leather wrapped. You have this boat is equipped with the optional forward sunshade. You have your windlass. We're standing on top of in-floor storage. Storage in the seats, molded compartments. You have a nice family room setting here. There's a carry-on cooler. This boat is equipped with a charger for your battery, its maintainer. Storage under the seats. There's a table here. We do have the sea deck. Also overhead, this boat does have the optional speakers. And this section here slides aft. I would knock my cameraman off if I was to do it right now, but it slides aft so that the sun pad in here, you get lots of shade. As we move even further aft, you'll note this is a power tower, so with the press of the button, we can bring that top down, so if it's raining or if you have to go under a bridge. Nice sun pad here. You do have a remote for your stereo, so you can control it while you're comfortable back here. You have your water fill, your gas fill, and this boat is equipped with a white Mercury 300 V8 outboard. And there you have it, 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. You can reach me, Jim Ferg, at 609-926-0600 or on the web at www.marinemax.com. Thank you.